I think it's really a unique opportunity to be able to have IT Media Group host this roundtable with 10 really incredible CXOs to talk about how they're trying to tackle the changes of managing very complex businesses and transforming them through digital channels. I think it was such a great conversation that we had with the team, covering everything from security to AI ops and even touching topics like DevOps. I think the thing I really appreciated was Jeff and the team kind of going through facilitating the conversation and preparing the conversation. So we really knew what we're getting into, so we could get straight into some of the topics of the day. There was one key takeaway that really, really resonated with me. One of the participants on the panel talked about how you go and deal with the unknown. And we're talking about security. And what she said was, they sit and they get a cross-functional team to go and think about what would they do given a certain situation, to go and create that runbook, a really collaborative approach. And then something almost, we all say we do it, but they actually go through and run tabletop exercises to go and stress test those runbooks continuously, because your business evolves over time. And so making sure those runbooks, carry on going. And I think that is something that's obvious when you say it, but kind of bringing that to the front of my mind has really made me think about how I engage with our customers and help advise them through some really complex situations. At the moment, I truly believe that we're at the beginning of something we like to call the data age. So, like the Stone Age and Industrial Age, the data age is a term that Splunk uses to describe kind of this transformational time we're living through together. It's an age that's going to be increasingly shaped by the power of data, and those are able to turn it into action. It's really hard to go and manage complexity. And we see IT problems, security problems as just manifestations of a business issue that you're currently facing. So to thrive in this data age, every organization needs a complete view of its data, real-time insight with the ability to take action. And when we kind of look through the customers that we speak to, those that really value it, especially strong in cybersecurity, around about 78% of our customers really kind of see data as a critical asset in kind of securing their businesses. But yet, looking across more broader, about 66% of IT and business managers report half of or more of their organization's data is darked. So this is not used for competitive advantage. And that's because it can be difficult and complex. So what we really focus at Splunk is, how do we enable the people on the front line, those micro decision makers that focus on security practitioners, DevOps, AI ops, operation teams, to get that data at their fingertips to go and make their next decision with the most amount of data and context they have available.